Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create pop-up form on Mailchimp. So, first we need to go into our account and click on create. This will allow us to find this page in here. Now, when you go to sign up form, you will find pop-up form. Make sure to click on it, and this will allow you to create many pop-up forms depending on the niche that you are going for. I'm going to click on this button, create pop-up form, and this will allow me to choose one of these types of forms. There's discount, free shipping, free content, free cancellation, and so go on. Of course, you choose the type that suits your goal and what you need. For me, I'm going to choose, for example, general newsletter. I'm going to go with this one, click on continue, and here I will find a library full with contents. Let's go with this one, for example, and apply it. I'm going to change the name and name it, for example, pop-up form tutorial. Here, create form, and then they will take us to a page where we can edit it. Of course, the design is all edited. We can edit everything, the colors, the buttons, and everything. Make sure to zoom in by clicking on zoom to 100, just like this, or zoom to 50. It depends on how you would like it to be. Because for me, I can zoom in and out just by clicking control and using the cursor of my mouse. Here is the design. I can click here and select it and change the text. Once I feel like I'm done and everything looks good, I will click on save and review, and then I can now officially make this pop-up added into my website. So now all I need to do next is to click on publish or schedule it to be launched on a specific date. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next video.